As someone who has more than 10 successful YouTube channels, I started a short video channel for the first time and it had a very strong result for me. In this video, I want to show you the results of this channel and share my experiences with you. I have been working professionally on YouTube for more than 3 years and this is my first short channel, and this channel is in the entertainment style and I started this channel a few months ago. I found this by chance in the shorts feed, and for more information, I checked 2 of the biggest channels in this field. These 2 channels that you see in the picture are the biggest channels in the field of memes and entertainment. After checking these 2 channels, I came to the conclusion that for the success of the channel, I have to choose the best meme from each video, and the memes I post should be a selection of the best memes from the best channels. To be successful and monetize in short channels, you need to post short videos every day, because in order to reach the condition of monetization in short channels, 10 million views in 3 months and 1,000 subscribers, you should increase the number of your videos to have more chances. I used to make 3 videos a day for this channel to get results faster. Well, this is my channel and I will put the channel link in the description so that you can watch it if you want. Well, now let's go to the analytics section to check the first video I posted. My first video is related to Wednesday serious memes, which were very popular at that time, and there were many viewers on YouTube looking for different content about Wednesday serious. And as you can see, it got 1,300 views, which is not a bad start. And a very important point is that when you make a short video, it's possible that one of your short videos will explode, but one of them will get less views. This is a problem that existed in the beginning of short videos, and no one has yet found a reason for this problem, and this problem has happened to everyone. This was that experience in several shorts channels, and if you watch this during the channel, you will understand it completely. The rest of the videos you can see received between 1,000 and 3,000 views. This video has the most views in my channel with 3,500 views. The average percentage viewed of this channel is close to 70%, which is very good, and it shows that the audience saw an average of 70% of this video. And in this section, we can see the percentage of people who saw this video, or 63% of people who saw this video, and those who rejected this video, and only 37% of them swap away. And if we look at the other videos, we will realize that they also had acceptable statistics in this field. Now I want to tell you 3 tips that by following them, you can bring your YouTube Shorts channel to income generation conditions. Number 1, you must make a video that forces the audience to watch the video until the end and even repeat that video several times. If you make a video that has these characteristics, your video will quickly go viral and you will get explosive views. Number 2, if the content you put in the Shorts channel is not for you, you have to edit that video and make changes in it so that you don't get into trouble for monetizing your channel. Number 3, you make your short videos for a larger audience, because to be monetized, you need to get millions of views and only find these millions of videos in topics like entertainment and similar topics. I was able to reach 90 subscribers by posting videos for 30 days. Of course, I haven't been active for some time now and the subscribers have dropped. In order to be successful in short channels, you must repeat these steps for more than 3 months so that you can make that channel profitable. Of course, you can earn money from short channels without being monetized. For example, you can create a short channel and introduce Amazon products in it, and then put your affiliate link in the description and receive a commission from Amazon for each sale. In addition to Amazon, you can also find these types of products in ClickBank and Digistore24 websites. To start a short channel, I don't recommend this topic, because I looked again at the top channels of this topic and realized that the visits of these topics have dropped a lot compared to the past, and the income has also decreased. Maybe you have a question, what are the best topics to start a channel shorts? The best topics to start a short video channel are topics that are viral or related to famous people and have the ability to get millions of views. For example, MrBeast interviews are a topic that can have millions of views, or topics such as exercising, animals, celebrities, health, cooking, singers, movies and series, etc. If you want to make a video about how to make a short channel that will go viral, tell me in the comments. With the experience I have, I can definitely tell you every important point that will be 100% successful. If you want to know how to monetize a faceless channel and make your videos go viral, click on this video.